Are you looking for a professional website for your business? One simple offer gives you a ready to go WordPress website. Forget about hosting, domain, logo, graphic designer, copywriter, website dev, etc. We provide all in one solution. Most providers charge 300 to 500 USD plus yearly domain and hosting fees are separate. We offer the most affordable all in one solution on the internet. It is 150 USD for the first year and then 100 USD per year, everything included, with all year free support. Why it's better than AI website builders? AI builders promise free websites without custom domain, but you spend hours, get limited features, and often can't move your site. Our all in one solution handles everything: setup, hosting, support. So you focus on growing your business, not fixing your website. Also, once you opt for custom domain that matches your brand name, AI asks for premium plan subscription, which is costlier than our offer. Further, we offer 1 year support for any bug, white screen, or issue in your already built website, and your WP site will be 100% portable. AI builds crap templates like thousands of other businesses, but we make a brand website that can really enhance your business and online presence. So, why WordPress? WordPress powers over half the internet, including trusted brands. It is SEO ready, mobile friendly, and infinitely flexible with thousands of plugins. That means faster sites, better search rankings, most affordable pricing, and growth potential you won't get with AI builders. So, what you will get? With our plan, you get a custom 4-page WordPress website ready to go live in public. Homepage that will act as your landing page, services page, contact page, and about page. A hosting and a business matched domain for 1 year. Mobile and SEO optimization with WhatsApp lead capture. 1 year of real human support. Throughout the year, it is our responsibility to keep your website live and to fix any bug or issues. And last but not the least, full ownership. You can move your site anytime. How it works? Getting started is simple. Share your content, we design and build your site, and then launch it live. That's it. No surprises, no hidden fees, and your site is ready to grow your business from day one. So, your business deserves a website that works for you, not the other way around. Please note that 1 year support will be provided for the work done. Any additional work will have additional charges. For more information, please read terms and conditions and facts section on our page. Thank you.